Let's take a look at this example. This time we're supposed to find square root of negative 1, 9. So what we're supposed to do first? We're supposed to use the properties of radicals and rewrite this as negative 1 times 1 over 9 equals square root of negative 1 times square root of 1, 9. Instead of square root of negative 1, I'm going to write j times, and I have square root of 1 over square root of 9, which is equal j times square root of 1 is equal 1 over square root of 9 is equal 3. This is equal j 1 over 3. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. First, we're supposed to simply copy down this negative sign. After that, we're supposed to use the properties of radicals and rewrite the radicand as negative 1 times 1 over 36. Copy down the negative sign, and I have square root of negative 1 times square root of 1 over 36 is equal negative sign, and I have j, and I have square root of 1 over square root of 36, which is equal negative j 1 over 6. This is the solution to my problem.